Okay, Moose, I'm just waiting for that boo. And, oh, that was nice, isn't it? Oh, yeah, there we go. Oh, but a nice little applause. Oh, and there's the boo again. Okay, anyhow, welcome to Art Challenge number 7, the final art challenge in this remote learning era. Hopefully this is something you can have fun with all summer long. Let's go. All right, a few items you're gonna need: the cornstarch itself, some food coloring, some different size paintbrushes, some cups for mixing. I grabbed 3 cups because I have 3 different colors I'm going to create. And I grabbed some plastic knives for the mixing of the cornstarch and water. Of course, you don't have to use plastic knives. You can use a little wooden stick or a paint stirrer, whatever you have lying around the house. Let's get rocking on step number 2. All right, this next step is to add cornstarch to these empty cups. I grabbed a measuring cup. It's 1/3 of a cup. I'm gonna reach in there, 1/3 of a cup of cornstarch in each. Boom, boom, and boom. Now that the cornstarch is in each cup, I'm going to use that same measuring cup and put 1/3 of a cup of warm water in each cup. There we go. Now we've got cornstarch and water in there. I'm going to use the food coloring, add a little bit of coloring, maybe a few drips in each cup. That one looks like it's going to be yellow. This one's green. And I think this is going to be like a pink or a red. Now I'm going to take that plastic knife and I'm going to mix the water and the cornstarch. That cornstarch gets pretty hard pretty quickly, so you got to be careful, but mix it around until you get a good look like this, okay? Mix all the colors that you're making. Now that you have those mixtures, you can go outside and start painting away. It may not appear too bright at first because it's wet, but once it dries, it brightens up. I know a lot of people are running out of that sidewalk chalk. It's hard to find, so this sidewalk paint is a good alternative. As you can see, when that cornstarch and water start to dry up, the colors brighten up really well. Here's also a little example of pouring the excess right down the gutter. Looks pretty cool. Don't worry, Moose, if you need to get that off a sidewalk or a driveway, you can just use a hose. Spray it off, it comes right off. That's it, Moose, you're done. Hopefully that's something fun you can do all summer long. Now, I know you're not gonna be seeing this guy for a while, and you're not gonna be seeing this guy for a while. And although this remote teaching has been a lot of fun and creating the videos have been a lot of fun, I can't wait to see you again in the art room at Altitude so we can get our hands dirty and start creating again. Until then, take care, be safe, and get some sun this summer. See ya.